everyone, let's talk about understanding the working principle of a secure seal tester for bottle products. In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, ensuring product integrity isn't just important, it's critical. One of the unsung heroes behind this assurance in the bottle packaging industry is the secure seal tester. But have you ever wondered how it actually works? A secure seal tester is especially designed to evaluate the seal integrity of bottles, especially carbonated or pressurized beverage containers. If a bottle seals fail during transport or on the shelf, can lead to leaks, contamination, or worse, total product loss. The process begins by placing the sealed bottle inside the testing chamber. The bottle is then connected to the pressurization system via secure fitting, often at the neck or closer area. One of the bottle is secured, compressed air or CO2 is gradually introduced into the space between the liquid level and the bottle cap. This simulates the internal pressure that bottles typically experience during storage or shipping. The tester closely monitors for any sign of leakage, often by submerging the cap area in water or using a sensor. If bubbles appear or the pressure drops, it means the seal has failed. A successful test shows no change in pressure, indicating a tight, secure seal. The final result is displayed digitally: pass if the seal holds under the defined pressure and fail if it doesn't. These results help manufacturers identify faulty closures before products reach customers. What's more, secure seal tester can be customized to match different international testing standards, ensuring global compliance across industries, from water bottles to soft drinks and even pharmaceuticals. Ensuring a tight seal protects product quality, boosts customer satisfaction, and save millions in potential recalls. So the next time you crack open a drink and hear that satisfying pop, remember science made the seal possible. For more information, visit Pacorr.com and you can call us 888-214-9230.